Welcome to Exam Sales Comprehensive Guide to the Microsoft Endpoint Administrator, Beta Exam. In this video, we will break down the exam syllabus into its various domains and discuss the key topics and skills required to ace the exam. The Microsoft Endpoint Administrator, Beta Exam is a holistic assessment of an individual's ability to manage, maintain, and secure endpoint devices. The Microsoft Endpoint Administrator, Beta Exam is divided into 5 domains, each carrying a specific percentage of questions. The domains are: Manage and Maintain Endpoints, 30%, Manage Endpoint Security, 20%, Deploy and Manage Endpoints, 20%, Manage Device Compliance, 15%, and Manage Applications, 15%. The first domain, Manage and Maintain Endpoints, contributes to 30% of the exam questions. It focuses on device monitoring, remote management, and update lifecycle strategy for Windows endpoints. This domain requires the candidate to have hands-on experience in monitoring device actions and status, reviewing and interpreting Endpoint Manager reports, and configuring log analytics for Intune. Candidates will also be tested on their ability to manage remote assistance, including configuring remote help in Intune, managing Microsoft Tunnel for mobile devices, and implementing TeamViewer integration. Additionally, they will be assessed on their skills in managing Windows updates, including planning and implementing Windows Update for Business, configuring update rings, and managing Windows feature updates. The second domain, Manage Endpoint Security, contributes to 20% of the exam questions. It focuses on hardening devices through encryption, Defender configuration, and proactive threat protection. This domain requires the candidate to have experience in configuring Microsoft Defender antivirus policies, implementing attack surface reduction rules, and enabling exploit protection. Candidates will also be tested on their ability to manage Microsoft Defender for Endpoint, including onboarding devices, configuring endpoint detection and response settings, and managing vulnerability assessments. Additionally, they will be assessed on their skills in managing disk and data encryption, including configuring BitLocker encryption policies and managing BitLocker recovery keys. The third domain, Deploy and Manage Endpoints, contributes to 20% of the exam questions. It focuses on planning and executing modern OS deployment using autopilot and infrastructure integration. This domain requires the candidate to have experience in assessing infrastructure requirements, selecting deployment tools, and planning for hardware and software inventory. Candidates will also be tested on their ability to implement Windows Autopilot, including extracting and uploading device hardware hashes, creating and assigning autopilot deployment profiles, and configuring the enrollment status page. Additionally, they will be assessed on their skills in managing OS additions and upgrades, including performing Windows Edition upgrades and switching from Windows Pro to Enterprise.